Mate, empezamos con el mate, como siempre.
En Instagram tenemos como 1000 y pico al día de hoy. Y 1000 reproducciones, pero tipo 90 likes.
O sea, es un 10%, ¿no?
Al 10% le gustó. Y uno.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another English garden.
The English garden. The English garden.
The English garden. El jardín inglés.
Today we're going to talk about vacations.
Vacations!
Do you know the difference between vacation and holiday? A vacation is used in the United States, and a holiday is mainly used in the UK and
whoever they colonize.
Yeah, I go to vacation very soon.
I'm going on a vacation.
I'm going on vacation very soon. And I'm left.
I'm left?
No, how do you say? Wait, I'm going. Don't go!
So Sebas' destination is the north of Spain, Asturias.
Yeah, the north.
Asturias. What are ways that you can get to your destination?
I take a car.
You're gonna take a car.
Yeah.
It's very cheap.
It's very cheap.
Ay, tengo un humor.
Esto es un poco raro, Quédate tranquilo. Afloja que va bien. Don't go! How do you feel? Better or similar? I
know that the bus is cheap as well.
Yeah, bus is cheap, and that's it.
I think that's it. Let's say we want to go to Ibiza.
You take a flight. A plane.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is more expensive.
It's more expensive.
Yeah, 100.
100 up.
100 up.
You can also take a car or a bus or a train.
Or ship.
What do we need first? We need to
make the carry-on or the mochila.
We need to pack our luggage. Pack it.
Packet. You put things in it. You put things in the luggage. Packet.
What are you taking? You're taking some shirts.
Yeah, I can take shirts, some pants, t-shirts, some t-shirts, shorts.
Bathing suit. To like.
Bathing suit and many underwear.
Some shoes or sandals.
How do you say botas para la lluvia?
Rain.
Because in the north, rain.
It rains a lot.
Yeah.
Occasionally.
How do you say chubasquero?
We have to start to eliminate the how do you say, but it's hard. It's hard.
Rain boot and a raincoat.
Sunglasses.
Maybe two. I don't have more.
You only have two. Also, you need to bring toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, hair product, sunscreen. I need sunscreen. 50 up.
You ski.
My skin.
Your skin is like a baby, like a newborn. And some novels, you know.
Oh, something you read.
Yeah, read.
You know that feeling when you're about to leave and you're like, I'm forgetting something. So, you know a checklist? So I'm like, okay.
Passport, documents, reservation, cell phone charger, underwear.
We're good. Whatever I forget, I can figure it out.
Yeah. You take a shower after.
Before trap.
Yeah,
traveling.
Yeah, me too.
We have our bags ready. So.
Don't go!
We go to the train station or the airport. Arrivals are the people that are coming in, and departures are the people that are leaving.
Yeah.
So where do you need to go when you...
Departure.
Very good.